Paul Lyngdoh, Tourism Minister of Meghalaya, has unveiled an autumn calendar of the upcoming events aimed at enhancing the state's reputation as the ultimate tourist destination in the country. Kicking off the series, the much-anticipated Megha Kayak Fest is scheduled from October 12 to 14th at Riphoi district. Following suit is the Shillong Literary Festival starting from November 14 to 16, which has emerged as a major crowd puller in recent years. Not to be missed is the famed Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, which is set to captivate visitors from November 17th to 19th. Adding to the excitement, the Megong Festival and the Winter Tales Festival are also slated from November, creating a vibrant atmosphere that showcases Meghalaya's rich culture.
We will be having the Meghalaya Kayak Fest. At Riphoi, which part? Untham. Riphoi district. And this will be followed by the Shillong Literary Festival, Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. This will is scheduled to be held on November 17th till the 19th. That is immediately after the Literary Fest will be the Shillong Cherry Blossom Fest, November 17th till 19th. Also in the month of November, we will be hosting the Megong Festival